Here's my 01, 2.2 liter. Welded up the exhaust on this thing myself the other day at work. Still have the factory cat. I have another factory cat, if you will, there. It's been hollowed. I'm going to take it, cut the flanges off the end of it, and work on putting like a glass pack resonator in there. Still keep the tube for the O2 sensor, you know, keep it somewhat stock looking, you know, minus adding the glass pack in there. Muffler wise, I have, you should be able to see it, it's a Thrush turbo muffler. It's the 14-inch body, not the 13-inch. The 13 inches are a little on the loud side. Let's try to get this camera in a good spot here. There we go. Give you an idea what it sounds like. So, there you have it. Not too bad for a 2.2. And I just got done washing the truck, so there's a little bit of water coming out of there still.